Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now today I am making painting on linen fabric. So I am giving now the base coat of white because the color of my cloth is dark shade. So giving the white shade over it. Now after that drying it, I am giving the green shade, the leaves part I am doing it. The shading of the green leaves has to be with two colors like cadmium green and olive green mix. So I am giving the shades over it. Now after that the flowers are there. It's Shiuli full. In Bengali it's said, and in Hindi it's Parijat, somewhere it's said also. Especially in India, we worship God and Goddess with this flower. So we have kept this red color cloth for this flower because it can be looks like a pious thing in our culture. So, and green over red and white, the combination will look very nice. Two brush stroke for one petal of the flower is needed here. Check it out, the coloring portion of this particular flower. It's little bit different from others. There's no shading, only brush stroke. So now it's about to complete. So now I'm giving this white background color as a highlighting of the leaves, giving the outline over it. So that the color of the green and red color, the combination of the color will be highlighted. It says observation is the best key for learning art. So keep learning and keep enjoying the art portion with my channel. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.